Hi everybody, I got a new video for you guys, showing you guys this is the, basically it's the MK808Z. Basically the Z is the same thing, it's the same exact, the MK808Z and the Z is the same. So I'll be showing you the video review for this, and also the digital inspection camera. This is so you can get to the hard to reach places, like say in the car, like you can't see certain areas under the hood. You can use this tool, it has a light on the end of it, and basically you can use it in home, plumbing, and it plugs into the USB on the tablet. I'm going to show you guys video real quick, okay? This tablet does Android 11, so the software is going to look different. Okay, basically this is how it comes. It has the OB wire, okay? Then it has the power charger. This is the charger and the wire to charge it on the top. Then it also comes with, okay, let's see, a 1-year warranty, and it comes with a cloth to clean the front screen if needed. Okay, so right now this is the MK808Z. This is the tablet itself. This is the top, the USB, SD card slot, the charger slot, and this is to plug in the cable. This is the back of it. Okay, this is the bottom. It does have a stand in the back, so just prop this up. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys how it works. Okay. So I'm kind of zoom in a little. So now I'm going to show you guys how it works. This is the new screen. This is the Android 11. Okay, runs Android 11, and it's now bi-directional. So I'm going to power it on. Swipe on the screen. This is what the screen looks like. Still have the plastic on the screen. We have diagnostic, service, data manager, settings, updates, Maxi View, support, OEM authorization, remote desktop, Maxi Video. This is for the camera itself here. That's what the Maxi Video is for, this camera. We have the quick link, Maxi Tools. Then we have the Autel User Center. And then we have on the main screen where we can just search the tablet for whatever we need. Then we have the home button here. Okay, then we have the Android screen. Then we have this button. It's to close out pages. Okay, so we're closing out these pages here. That's how you do that. Then we have this to go to the Chrome browser. That'll take you to the Chrome browser. This one is definitely way faster and definitely is a lot quicker. This one is to like screenshot that button. Okay, this one is definitely a lot faster than the regular MK808 that's been around for a lot of years. This one definitely has a faster processor. Then we have the contrast, the brightness for the tablet. Then we have also a quick button to get to the diagnostics menu. And then we have another one to get to the service menu, a quick button to get to the service menu. Okay, so let me see. So it's loading up real quick. Okay, so now we have diagnostics. Okay, as you can see, the screen is sharper. The picture is a lot better. The icons look nicer. Then we have service. We have oil reset, electronic parking brake, TPMS, BMS. brake bleed, DPF, SCR, mobilizer keys, injector, SAS, suspension, throttle, window, driver roof, seats, odometer, language change, headlight change, tire, tech learn, ABS, cylinder, VGT learn, speed of PTO, clutch, transmission, adaptation, airbag reset, air fuel setting, automatic start stop, electronic pump, water pump start, EGR valve, VIN. Then we have FRM reset, transport mode, HV, ACC, AC, rain light sensor, reset control module, and ACC. Okay. Then we have data manager. This is what shows the vehicle histories, like the cars that you have worked on. This shows the reports. You can save the PDFs, the data logins. You can save it here. You can even enter, like say your business information here and send people emails to basically show them the receipt. So then we have settings here. We have unit, we have languages. These are all the languages that it works with. Okay. Then we have printing settings where you can connect it to a printer. You can report to the cloud, push notifications. They have firmware updates, auto update, vehicle list. We have system settings where it takes you to system settings. System settings is where you would go to connect to the internet. You would click on Wi-Fi and then connect to your Wi-Fi. And then they have airplane mode, hotspot tethering, if this has phone service on it, but it doesn't. We can connect USB devices, apps, battery, display, storage is 26.36 gigs free, 59% is used. Okay, then permissions, privacy, location, security, just like an Android 11 phone. Okay, so then we're going to go to about. As you can see, it does run Android 11. And this is the version number and everything. Okay, and then this is the about. Serial number and stuff. Okay, so then we have updates where it shows the updates for other vehicles, which none of these they have in the United States where I'm from. And these are like, I guess, Chinese vehicles. So, yeah. Not interested, so I'm not going to do the updates for those. Okay, so then we have Maxi View. So Maxi View is where you can go to actually find out what year, makes, and models the car worked for. So I'm going to go to Acura, and it has different types of Acuras here. So I'm going to go to the MDX and all years, and it tells you what years that it will work for and what things that it would do. See, like initialization of the SRS, seat output check. See, like it shows you exactly what it'll work for and what it won't work for. So that's really good. That's a really, really good option. Okay, so I'm not going to get too fully in depth with that. So then we have support, customer service support, OEM authorization. Okay, then we have remote desktop where you can control it from another device. Then we have Maxi Video. So I'm going to show you guys the Maxi Video right now. Okay. This is the digital inspection camera. I'm going to put a link down in the video description. It's going to be the bundle for this. And the digital inspection camera will come with the bundle. Okay, so basically, the digital inspection camera will come in this box. And this is it right here. I have it already taken apart. So in the box, it comes with that. And then it comes with just this pieces and this plug and adapter, and then you just plug this into this. As you can see, there's a port inside, and then there's a port right here. Okay, just line this up, and then you slide this up, and then lock this in place, and that's it. Now we want to use the adapter. We have the USB, and the USB on top of the device. Just plug it in. As you can see, there is a light on it on the end. Okay, so I'm going to turn on the Maxi Video. I'm going to click on it, and it'll literally show me. This is the video camera. What's on the box? Like I said, it's to tight to reach places. As you can see, this is what it looks like close up. If you're going close to something, putting it in the bag, showing you guys, it does show pretty clear close up. And as you can see, it does work great. Just wanted to show you guys a short clip of this to show you guys. And then also you can take a picture. Okay, you just click on accept, and there we go. We save the picture. Okay, then we can go to the picture here, to the image that we saved, the screenshot. And that's it. That's how you use this. Okay, so I'm going to disconnect it right now. Just unplug it from the top. Digital inspection camera's been disconnected. That's fine. So now we're going to get back to the features of the device itself. Then we get the quick link to get to the Autel. Okay. Then we have Maxi Tools. Okay. Then we have Autel User Center. And these are all the options that's here. This is the name that I put in, just a fake name. So basically, this is the device. It works really, really well. It works really, really quickly. It's just a huge upgrade from the MK808, the way it was before, to now. As you can see, the screen looks a lot clearer. Everything is clearer. The process is faster. Everything about it is just all around better. And with the inspection camera, and then it's also bi-directional now. Okay. It has extra special functions. It has the digital camera. It has the newly added function, the BMW 4.0 software. Okay. The coverage is a lot better now too. So if you guys are interested, I'm making a video. This is the video review that I made for it. If you're interested in purchasing this tool, there's a link down in the video description. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.